Hey guys! Today I'm going to teach you how to make potpourri. Let's get started. I'm always looking for ways to save and use and reuse what I have at home. And since I recently got some lovely roses, I decided why not make DIY potpourri to spruce up my home decor and to make my room smell nice and fresh as well. So here we go. After 3 or 4 days of having my roses on display, I make sure to pluck the petals off the stem before they shrivel up and dry. In order to save time, I take the entire rosebud and lightly twist it off the stem. It will easily come off and you can separate the petals with your fingers, as if you're uncovering the layers of an onion. You'll get to the middle, which you don't need, so you can throw that part away. And sometimes that middle part even stays on the stem, so you won't need to worry about it. Once you've separated all the rose petals, lay them flat in an area where they won't blow away. You want to make sure most of the petals are still nicely colored in the beginning of the drying process. Feel free to throw away the ones that look too burnt and old. Now we wait for 7 days. On day 7, the petals should be nice and crisp with a natural color. Over time, the organic scent of your flower petals come alive. You can bunch them into a bowl for a nice display in your room or give it as a gift. If you prefer your potpourri to smell differently like your favorite essential oil, feel free to add that into the mix as well. I had extra potpourri, so I put some in a nice cup and put it in my sister's room. It's really easy to do, and you won't need to go to a craft store to buy some. If you have your own garden with different variety of colors, even better. Save your money and make your own. I'd love to know how yours turn out. Be sure to subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching!